So this is the oil change after the valve spring repair. So, and the engine's just come off a long drive, so we're toasty hot here. So there should be a bit of contamination inside that oil from a bit of the coolant that got in, and any fuel, any raw fuel that was running through that cylinder, which there was quite a bit of. Well, I took it for emissions test today. Happy to say that it passed. It ran fantastic, nice and smooth. The idle was very solid, very steady. I was very pleased, very happy with that. So that's really a good thing. The next, well, right now I'm going to do a quick oil change just to freshen it up, get some clean oil into this guy, because this stuff has been contaminated now. I still have 3 plugs I didn't change on the passenger side. I can throw those in really quick, get those changed out. I'm going to order a MSD cap and rotor and some new MSD plug wires for this truck, just because the old ones that are on here now are, I want to say they're like 6 or 7 years old. I've had them for a long time, and I wouldn't mind getting a backup set. Maybe these can become my backup set, just to have on hand. But it should be pretty good. Let that finish dripping there. And then we're going to go ahead and change the filter and get some fresh oil to this thing. Okay, now we get back inside and we find out if we've got oil pressure still. Voila! Oil pressure. Let's check for any leaks.